If you disabled remote access to your MySQL database, you can still access it remotely, but with the help of SSH tunneling. And this means I'll open a new terminal. Always open a tunnel first. Our server IP is and this takes up a 3307 port and port forwards MySQL service that's listening on localhost 3306 on this server with this IP. And now you can go to, for example, MySQL workbench, connect to database, and it's 3306 is still localhost. Now it behaves as if this service is locally running. Okay, this is the remote root user and password for the remote root SQL. And now you can browse on that MySQL server, GhostDB is installed, and you can play around and manually modify tables. For example, if you want to manually reset the admin password, you will go into users, and there you see my demo user, the admin user of Ghost. And for example, you can reset the admin password by updating a new password hash. In case you forgot your admin password, that's the way to do it from the database directly. If, for example, you were connecting to the database in IntelliJ, you don't need to set up an SSH tunnel separately because IntelliJ sets a tunnel for you. Here you would enter your host and, if it's passwordless, this option I will select, server IP, port 22, server username, in my case it's root, click OK. And there you have it. And also set up if port 3306 is taken, set up 3308 or whatever. And here you would enter localhost 3308, remote MySQL username and password, and that's it. You could connect also through IntelliJ data source.